Did you know a brass machine built in 1872 could predict the ocean's tides months before they happened? Not by guessing, by listening to the math hidden inside every wave. Lord Kelvin's tide-predicting machine was a tangle of pulleys, cranks, and weighted strings. Each component tracked one rhythm of the sea. Together, they added those rhythms into a single answer, drawn out as a curving line on paper. It was a computer made of metal and patience. But in this forgotten future, the harbor masters noticed something strange. The same equations that mapped the tides also mapped the people living beside them. Grief moved in cycles. Collective joy had a frequency. The sea and the crowd were running on the same clock, so they built new machines. Brass instruments appeared in civic offices alongside the shipping charts. Engineers who once planned for storm surges began planning for seasons of mourning, seasons of celebration. They understood, before psychology had words for it, that feeling was never separate from pattern. The ocean already knew. They just learned to read it.